Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I am back in Huntington Beach. Now you may recall the last time I was here, I was at the pier, and I was just filming Huntington Beach, the surfing and the beach and stuff, and I was testing out the Sony A7 III. Well, Huntington Beach is also, in addition to being known for surfing, they're known for a lot of great restaurants. And today I'm here at a restaurant called Bangkok Avenue. Bangkok Avenue, on Beach Avenue no less, and I'm here to try the crying tiger. That's right. You know why the tiger is crying? Because I'm gonna eat him. Actually, no. A crying tiger is known as a beef dish. Actually, it's a steak dish. Why they call it crying tiger? I don't know. I plan to ask the waitress, and maybe she'll let us know why she calls this dish a crying tiger. Bangkok Avenue is a very, very modern-looking restaurant. Actually, you know what? It doesn't look one bit like Bangkok or Thailand. I mean, no. I don't see any.
We haven't checked the bathrooms yet.
I don't see any, Thailand paintings or anything to indicate that this is an Asian-style restaurant.
What do they have? What do they have? Eastern toilets.
We can always check the washroom and see if there's like a Eastern toilet.
Yeah, exactly. My little crouching tiger, hidden spicy dragon over there.
Exactly. There is a nice outdoor dining area too, but again, nothing that would let me know that this is an Asian style restaurant except for the name. The menu is a basic one-page affair on both sides. We have curry, rice from the wok, side order, and their specialty right there, the crying tiger. That looks really good. Another specialty, like the Thai barbecue chicken with papaya salad, look interesting too. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try the crying tiger. And on this side, appetizer, I hear they have a really good appetizer like the crispy pork spare rib. It's really good too. We should share that.
We should share that.
Yeah, we should share that. And of course, Thai restaurant, chicken satay, beef satay, those kind of stuff. But that's just two. See, picture the crispy pork rib. That looks really good.
Tom yum wing?
Tom yum wing looks interesting too. Fried chicken wing and spicy tom yum sauce. Ooh, we should try that too. So maybe we'll try. We can share the ribs and the wing, and then I can get the crying tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Done. Oh, check it out. Even though this restaurant is like empty, there's people waiting. Actually, I think they're just looking at the menu. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's complimentary? Hey, nice.
Wow.
Tom yum
What's
soup.
this?
This one?
Yeah.
This comes with the lunch special.
Oh.
It's part of the lunch
Tom yum
special.
chicken.
Oh, okay, cool. So as part of lunch special, we also get this soup, which is unexpected. It's a tom yum chicken soup. All right, let's give it a try.
With mushrooms.
How is it?
It's incredible.
Incredible?
It's really good, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's got
Wow.
some lemon in it. I don't know what other kind of spices there are. But yeah, this is really good.
Awesome. We're off to a good start. Oh wow, that's a lot of flavor.
Tomato soup?
Yeah. Mushrooms in here. Yeah, this is a really good soup. It's a good start. I should have read the entire lunch special to find out what you actually get, in addition to the crying tiger. Okay, so check out the appetizer. These are the deep fried pork spare ribs or just pork spare ribs?
Deep fried pork spare ribs.
Yeah, well, yeah, it looks really nice. I can see the pepper on the skin. That's what I mean. And they gave it to us with some sriracha. It's not ketchup, it's sriracha. Yeah. All right. That's awesome looking.
All right, let's do this.
Good. See how you like it.
All right.
Take a bite out of that.
Oh my gosh.
Tender?
Yes. Say goodbye to barbecue smoking or smoking barbecue.
Really? That
Yeah,
good?
yeah.
Wow, okay. I need to try this right now then. Let's see how good this is. Smells good. You can tell it's deep fried, not barbecue, but I don't know. Wow.
What do you think?
Oh my God. This is insane. Holy crap. This is insane. Oh my word. Look at this.
And there's no sauce on it.
It just, no sauce, falls off the bone. And so tender. And the little spices on the outside. Oh, wow. It's crazy. Wow. Must order this if you come to Bangkok Avenue. Wow. Oh my God. Let me try the sriracha. Let me try with the sriracha here.
That might ruin it.
I know. I'll try dipping with the sriracha. See how. It does get a little cake, but it doesn't need to add any flavor. No, but by itself, holy, wow, wow, really, really good. Yeah. All right. So this is our second appetizer. It's tom yum chicken wings. So it's basically looks like deep fried chicken wing in tom yum sauce with a side of tempura veggies, sprinkled throughout there. Kind of like a Japanese Bangkok fusions dish.
Exactly.
Yeah. Give it a try. You be the first.
All right. Let's see here.
Take a wing.
Go from the wing.
Yeah.
Okay. Very interesting.
Interesting. You taste the tom yum sauce?
You taste the tom yum sauce.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Coconut and everything? Yeah. Looks good.
Lemongrass. It's good. It's really good. After having the wing, after having the ribs though, this is really hard to follow. So
we should have had this first, then the rib.
Then the ribs.
Yeah.
Very good though. Can't wait for you to try it.
Okay, so this is it. This is what we came for. The crying tiger. Yeah. So it's a steak that's been grilled. Looked like it's cooked medium rare. I see. Yep. Medium rare. Yeah, and it's got two sauces. I see sriracha, another one, salad, rice, and a spring roll. All right, so check it out, John. What do you think?
I'm trying. Tender.
Really tender.
The sauce adds to it. It's incredible. Again, you need to taste this.
I will. I'll do that now. I'm not sure why they gave me the knife since they already cut up the steak for me, but that's really good. Wow. Wow, I like it. And how much was this?
$12.95.
$12.95. $12.95 for something this nice portion. Fantastic. Really, really good. Great lunch special. This is one of the best spring rolls ever. John, try the spring roll.
Okay.
You're gonna be shocked.
Holy smokes.
Really? Wow.
And I like spring roll.
Yeah. And we come here for the main course, but some of this accessory stuff they put onto it, like the tempura veggie, this spring roll, turning out to be pretty amazing. Oh. We can't leave here without trying the dessert. This is the trio. Basically mango, ice cream, and sticky rice. So this is the ice cream, mango, and underneath there is the sticky rice. Fantastic combination, very, very traditional Thai dessert. So give it a try, John.
All right, let's try this.
All right, try this. But don't eat the mint. That's for decoration.
All right, let's see here.
All right, so try to get a piece all three. Get some ice cream, get some sticky rice, and a piece of mango in there. Yeah.
Jeez. Let's try this.
Get in there and nice and cool.
I don't have a Thai grandmother, but I think this is what it would taste like if my grandmother made this dessert for me, and I was Thai.
There you
Puerto
go.
Rican. It's very delicious.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's really good. In fact, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. So, lunch for two came to $61.31, which is Very, very reasonable. I mean, it's just like, I guess with tips, it's like 70 bucks, 35 bucks a person for lunch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
35 bucks a person.
Yeah, you'll go for that.
Just for ribs alone.
Just for, just for the,
This is our new rib place, John.
yeah,
So
our
no
new
more
rib
smoky
place.
barbecue.
Unfortunately, it's only an appetizer, so we'll have to order like three of them next time.
Three orders.
Yeah, three
Now,
orders. There
so
you
we
go.
Do that half a rack of ribs for $24. Let's do this. Every
Done.
time.
Next time.
All right.
Well, that was definitely one of the best lunch I ever had. Truly, this has truly been amazing. And they said, who would have thought that a restaurant that only looks Thai by name only would turn out to be one of the best Thai restaurants out there. But yeah, if you're ever in the Huntington Beach area, Bangkok Avenue, you definitely need to check this place out. And it's not that far from the beach, so you know, go to the beach, check out Surf City USA, and after staying on the beach for the morning, come here for lunch. You'll never regret it. Fantastic, highly recommend it. All right, so this concludes this .com lunch. I hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Like and share my video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.